So in today's video, I want to tell you guys who is Driven Gears Automotive. Well, obviously looking at the video right now, it's obviously me because I'm the host of Driven Gears Automotive. But what is the channel really about? Because I want to have a criteria of, the car enthusiast itself. What kind of draws people to their cars? What kind of interests them about cars? What kind of interests them in being a car enthusiast, being the discourse community around cars? Well, Driven Gears Automotive is a perfect place for a discourse community to share their personal lives surrounding their cars. And that's why I told you guys, well, send me your car questions down below and I'll happily make a short video kind of explaining things. Maybe a video or two, depends. That's why I run an Instagram channel too. I also run a TikTok channel with Driven Gears Automotive. I'm here to tell you guys the truth about the auto manufacturers and these dealerships. There's a lot of scams that go around with the mechanics, these so-called mechanics, and they says, well, let's see if you have a broken latch on your hood that you can't, fix. Well, you just take it there. Oh, guess what? They put them up, you roll their cars on jack stands. Well, they kind of lift their cars in these automatic jack stands, and they just look at the tires, take off the wheels, look at the brake pads. Well, you don't need those because you're just here just to get the little latch repaired and fixed, But these are so-called mechanics that, well, they just want to put an extra, they just want you to take out money out of your pockets and just put the money in their pockets. And that's how these car manufacturers and these car brands get a lot of money, by taking money out of your pocket and putting it into their pocket, by making more, selling more parts and stuff like oil or these brake pads. They just tell you, well, you just tell them, well, I just wanted to get the little latch thing replaced on my hood. No, they just tell you, well, what if we sell you these new brake pads, Well, that's kind of all the scams that are going on with these car manufacturers and these car dealerships. I'm here to tell you guys, stay away from those. I'm here to tell you the truth. I'm not sitting here and looking at these car dealerships that tell me, well, you have to say something very positive about these cars. No, I'm here by myself. I'm not run by these companies. I don't have branded that tell me, well, I don't agree with your, standards. Kia, because I don't like Kias myself. They have transmission problems, their engines blow up and all that stuff. Well, I'm not sitting here, Kia's not in my ear saying, oh, those are some negative stuff. No. I'm just here to tell the truth. I am not sponsored. I'm not branded by any car dealerships or car manufacturers at all. I'm just here to tell the truth. This is my own opinions. I mean, one day I'll probably get a sponsorship with these people, but no, I just want to keep it like kind of independence and stuff. I want to tell the truth about these cars. I don't want any people in my ear saying, well, he doesn't know what he's doing. No, if you research things about cars, like Kias, I've researched about Kias, and they're, like I said, they're a piece of crap because they all have these problems. If you look at the recalls and look at, the history of Kias, what their recall rates are, Jeeps too, look at the recall, because actually recently Jeep got recalled 1.34 million Jeeps Cherokees for stalling on the road because of these stupid electronic parking brakes. And guess what kind of moron thinks of that, because they're just run by these computers. The wires are connected to the computers, and guess what, if water kind of spurts into the areas, well, it can all short out because you have electrical wires and you have water that comes on it. Well, that can corrode it, and pretty much it can cause a lot of short outs because wires and water don't mix. And that's why I only like these little manual little parking brakes. But I'm here to tell the truth all about that. I'm here to tell you guys stories about cars, from friends and all that stuff. And that's, I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear, well, what kind of car problems you're having. I want to kind of explain that so I can give you advice. Well, if you want to learn how to fix your own cars, I'm here to help you. That's why send me your car questions in the comments. DM me on Instagram or kind of DM me on TikTok and just make videos and answer them. It's my own personal opinion of what I do and don't like about cars, That's the criteria I'm going to say. The car enthusiasts have a criteria of what makes the cars personal, Why are cars so personal? I have a personality to my own car, a 2012 Subaru Forester. That's my personality. That's why I love to drive there. It's fun, It's a very zippy car, you know, it handles very well. For considering as a car that's only 10 years old, it still runs good. It never had any history of anything. You know, just occasional, just oil changes every 5,000 miles, you know. It's on average. And it never had anything happen to it for the past 10 years. You know, it still runs good, you know. That's why I said cars have a special personality to other people. And that's why part of this discourse community, you know, being part of car meets and all that stuff, you know, kind of sharing what cars and people, you know, I want to one day go to a car meet sometime. I don't know what's the next car meet, probably this Friday. I want to sit down with somebody, kind of just talk for a little bit and tell them, well, I'm part of Driven Gears Automotive. I want to interview you about your car. You know, what did you do? What did you do to your car? You know, why is your car a big personality to who you are? You know, cars have a big personality. And like I said, that's why I want to do, you know. I want to interview with other people too, you know, trying to get their own opinion about what cars are, you know, how they learn from cars, what personalities they have. I want to do that. That's what Driven Gears Automotive is all about. That's kind of what we're building against. And that's it. We've hit 500 subscribers, and, you know, that's a really big milestone. You know, we're going to keep evolving over time. And that's kind of what Driven Gears Automotive is about, is kind of evolving more of that car content, kind of breaking into the discourse community of being these car enthusiasts, you know. I still want to, you know, learn about cars. I still learn about cars every time. I look at the recall list and all that stuff. I look at Google, I look at the news about cars, Subarus, Jeeps, or anything. Like I said, I look at all that stuff, the recalls, and like I said, well, I can whether decide, well, if Kias are just a piece of crap, and I can consider that, you know. And hey, electric vehicles, I can rant about electric vehicles if I want. I can make a whole video about electric vehicles. They're just a piece of shit because, well, for bad range, you know, batteries exploding, motors exploding, a lot of stuff. You know, that's what I want to tell you guys about. I'm sitting right here because I'm telling you the truth about cars, you know. I'm telling you the truth about these auto repairs. I'm telling you about scams. But, you know, car dealerships are giving you. They just want to pay for for the corporation. They just take your money and put it in their pockets, you know. I just want to talk about that, you know. That's kind of why Driven Gears Automotive is all about. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sorry I'm just kind of rambling about that. I'm kind of repeating the same thing. But like I said, this is what Driven Gears Automotive is about. I want to tell the truth about everything. Well, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you give me some car questions. DM me on Instagram, Driven Gears Automotive. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Give me your car questions. I'll happily answer them. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.